You're watching Newstainment Television.
My media friend.
सबसे पहले तो भामला फाउंडेशन को और यहाँ पर जितने भी डिग्नेटरीज हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. Tiger, my question is to you. Your association with Bhamla Foundation, as Asif bhai said, your dad 15 साल पहले जुड़े थे और आप वो legacy को थोड़ा आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. तो how does it feel, taking this legacy ahead, and something about the environment, like what would you really love to work on any particular project of?
Very, very thankful to Asif ji for having me a small part of this campaign, and privileged to be amongst all these esteemed guests. I don't want to pat myself on the back of being the face of this initiative or anything, because I think it's a no-brainer. I think each one of us are responsible for our planet's future, and climate change is rampant. Climate change is real. It's the immediate threat. I know we're all very, caught up on Corona right now as well. We're doing a very good job fighting, being responsible citizens. But I think the bigger picture right now is the environment as well is, climate change is the need of the hour. The attention to that is the need of the hour as well. So very, very happy that you have me on board for this, and will do my best to, make a difference, a small change. I mean, it starts in our house, guys, by switching off the lights, saving water, just trying to be responsible. Each one of us have the power in our own houses to make a difference. So really, it's not about just planting one tree. I think what's amazing is the whole concept of afforestation, where we get to plant complete, full, lush forests rather than just one sapling. I think it's time to do these things in bulk, and it's not just about our country. I think it's about the whole world and our whole planet. So thank you once again for having me on board, sir.
Thank you. Can I have the next question, please? Yeah. Please pass the mic for the picture.
Hi, Tiger. So it's Priyanka here. So I would just want to say, talking on environment, so we can save the pollution and all, so how come cycling is a very good exercise?
Cycling is a very good exercise?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, why not?
So you can promote cycling also with the MMA.
I mean, sure, yeah, that makes perfect sense, yeah. Cycling, walking, especially if the distance from your house to your work or wherever you want to go to is close by, then why not? That's a good point, yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much. Can I have the next question, please?
Tiger, hi. Here.
जी सर.
Tiger, पर्यावरण की जो हालत देश में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, कितनी चिंता की बात है. अगर हम नहीं संभले और हमने उस तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो कितना वरी करती है ये चीज़ आपको, कितने कंसर्न है आप इससे कि बदलाव आना चाहिए और पर्यावरण पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान, खासकर आज के यूथ को जो इतना अवेयर नहीं है, जो अपनी ही दुनिया में रहता है, उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो लोग ध्यान दें.
अवेयरनेस तो काफ़ी है, everybody is educated. It's all about converting that education and that into practicality and actually doing the action of going out there and making a difference. जैसे मैं कह रहा था, it starts in your house. So, you know, the smallest things you do in your house, whether it's saving your electricity, saving water, minimizing the usage of, you know, all these things, I think it's really going to benefit us in the long run.
टाइगर, जहाँ पर एनवायरनमेंट की बात हो रही है तो देश भर में 100 करोड़ लोग वैक्सीनेटेड हो गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि कान्हा का ये कामयाबी हासिल हुई है?
बिल्कुल सर, एंड आई थिंक इसी तरह अगर हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर भी इसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक यू नो पीपल आर अवेयर, पीपल आर following through with the rules and being responsible. I think why not apply the same thing for our environment?
हाय टाइगर, टाइगर जब हम ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है। हम सोसाइटी में अलग तरीके से देखे जाते हैं, जाने जाते हैं, और अक्सर हमने सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा तो बनते हैं बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाते खुद को। तो आप कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मानते हैं कि आप इस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बढ़ जाती है इनिशिएटिव के बाद?
सर जितना मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ उतना ही आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो। आप भी रह रहे पृथ्वी में, यू नो वे ऑल members of this planet Earth, and I think it's our responsibility as citizens of this planet to really look after our planet in every small way we can, and the small things make a very big difference collectively. So yeah.